Who is the winner? I hereby announce the winner is... Hey guys, Wonderly Tech here and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered which messaging app deserves a spot on your smartphone, you're in the right place. Today we'll be comparing Telegram and WhatsApp in an epic showdown. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. Both Telegram and WhatsApp are instant messaging apps that lets you send texts, photos, videos, and voice messages. But there are some key differences. Telegram was launched in 2013 by the Drove brothers, while WhatsApp has been around since 2009 and now it's owned by Meta. But when it comes to safeguarding our charts, both Telegram and WhatsApp throw their digital armor. But who is the real knight in the shining encryption? Telegram offers end-to-end encryption for its secret chats and provides features like self-destructing messages. WhatsApp, on the other hand, offers end-to-end encryption by default for all chats, but it doesn't have so many privacy-focused features like Telegram. Telegram is like a Swiss army knife that you've always wanted. It slices, dices, and even juggles flaming swords. Okay, maybe not the last part. Meanwhile, WhatsApp keeps it simple, like a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. Customization is the other area where Telegram shines. It allows you to change themes, create custom stickers, and even use bots in various tasks. WhatsApp has a more straightforward approach, focusing on simplicity and ease of use, but it doesn't offer the same level of customization. Privacy nerds unite. Telegram shouts from a rooftop about its commitment to your secrets. Meanwhile, WhatsApp shares a cozy data blanket with its parent company, Facebook. For group chats and channel, Telegram allows you to have groups with up to 200,000 members and offers features like polls, quizzes, and pinned messages. As of late now, WhatsApp has also included channels. You can also create channels. WhatsApp groups are limited to 512 members. But of recent, WhatsApp has included a new feature called communities, where similar groups can be put in the same nest. So you can exceed and go to as far as 3,000 members, or even 5,000. We've seen groups do that, which may be enough for most users, but something to consider if you to manage large communities. When it comes to media and file sharing, both apps allow you to send files up to 2 gigs in size, but Telegram Premium package lets you send files up to 4 GB and faster speeds. So if you often share large size, Telegram may be a better choice for you since it offers faster speeds and a premium package for you. Both apps are available on various platforms including the iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. However, Telegram offers a web-based version that doesn't require you to connect your phone to the internet, which can be a very handy feature. Telegram pros: strong security, large file sharing, bot integration. Telegram cons: similar user base, more complex interface. WhatsApp pros: large user base and intuitive design. WhatsApp cons: limited file sharing, no bot integration. Who is the winner? I hereby announce the winner is... So, which app should you choose? It literally depends on your needs. If you value customization, large group management, and advanced privacy features, Telegram is the way to go. But if you prefer simplicity, seamless integration with your contacts, and a user-friendly interface, WhatsApp may be a better option. So thank you so much for tuning in, Tech Warriors. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring notification bell to be updated of the next videos that I'll be uploading. Until next time, blessings.